Let me show you how this looks on my iPad. I've installed something up here called AirServer, and it's very cheap, but there's also a 30-day trial on this. And once you launch this, you can then go to your iPad's control center, and I'm going to show you what that looks like now. That's this over here, and I clicked on the screen mirroring, and I chose the name of my laptop, and here, this is what I'm seeing on the other end. As I'd mentioned, if you were doing a Google Meet or a Hangouts and you had Jamboard running at the same time, you could be having a live discussion with your students. Now, if you want to run Jamboard from your iPad, you have two options. You can be using Jamboard and streaming with your students, or you could be streaming your Jamboard through to your laptop, and then from there you could be having a Google Hangout or a Google Meet. Now, one of the final little things we're going to look at here is screen recording the entire session. Now, because we're using AirServer, this simple tool has a lot of powerful options in it, and we can go to its preferences, and I'm going to go to the audio here. I'm using a USB headset, so I'm going to make sure that I set it to that so we're getting clear audio as I'm doing the tutorial. And I'm going to keep both screens running here. I've got my iPad running, and I've got the laptop version of the Jamboard session going. Now, it's pretty straightforward. Once you click on your iPad screen and you hit this little record button, make sure you turn your microphone on. Right now it's muted. By default it seems to be muted, so make sure it's turned on. And now you're ready to start your session. And so as I go to the iPad, let's maximize this, and I start drawing and writing notes. Once I'm done, I can stop the recording by clicking this little record button here. Give it a name, save it. Just put it on a desktop here. And then let's exit this, and let's go test out our video. If I right click, open this with QuickTime, jump through here, and now you're ready to start. And there you go. Your session. So the whole thing works seamlessly.